Welcome to Rheology App, an app for rheologists created by a rheologist. From now on, rheology will be always at your fingertips. We start by pressing the Start button on this front screen. This will take us to the main menu. This is the main menu of this app. The first option in this menu is Material Data, Rheology Plots, and Calculator. This is the predictive rheology part of this app where you can store material flow parameters in a local database and use them as material data cards to predict the flow behavior at different shear rates, temperatures, and pressures. The second option in this menu is Rheological Curve Fitting. This is the data analysis part of this app. Here you can analyze your experimental results by fitting the data to different flow models by nonlinear regression. Using these curve fitting functions, you can determine various rheological parameters such as zero shear viscosity, shear thinning index, yield stress, activation energy, WLF constants, etc. The third option in the menu is Time Temperature Superposition or TTS. This is a rheological technique which describes the equivalence between the effects of material temperature and the effects of processing speed or processing time on the viscosity or stress relaxation of the material. The fourth option is Rheometry Toolbox. Here you can calculate different rheological parameters such as shear rate, shear stress, and viscosity from raw rheometer data. The fifth option is Help. We recommend that you go through the help before you start using this app. The sixth item on the main menu is the About screen.